Now we on.
All right. Repair attempt number 2. Camera stopped working in the first one. So here we go. We're going to remove this shingle. So we got to break all these seals, remove all the nails in this row, in this row. Any kind of damage we get, we're going to document up there. We're looking for material transfer, creases, nail pull-throughs, or any kind of rips in the shingle. This is the wind damaged one, so it's already, seal's already broken. Yeah, we got a little bit right here. A little bit of material transfer. You can see the little bit of a darker right there, and then right here, right in the middle, right there above my finger, you can see the fiberglass. So that is material transfer. So that's down on shingle 2. All right, so now we got those seals broken. We're gonna break these seals so we can see the nails. And we'll be able to. All right, so that is the nail pull through that we're looking for. But we're not gonna mark it on this one because this is the shingle we're removing. But those are the instances of what we're looking for. Alright, so we got some more material transfer right here. Circle right there. See that right above my fingers, that fiberglass. Alright, so that's shingle 5. Material transfer. Alright, let's remove that nail. Yep, we got more material transfer. Here. And right here. So we got this material transfer right here, right there. Same thing over there. Right. No material transfer on this one. We got to remove the nail though. Alright, so we're going to remove both of these nails right here because they're nailed into the top of this one. Yeah, there's some material transfer right here on this corner. If you can zoom in right there, you can see, maybe, I don't know if you can see that fiberglass or not, but we have fiberglass right there. It's transferred down. So that's shingle 7, 5, 7 material transfer, and then there was another one. Was it this one? Have I marked everything? 6. Alright. So remove these nails. Alright, we got nail pull through in 5 right here. Nail pull through. Yep. So gotta remove this nail though. Nailed into the top of this shingle right here. Alright, so we got some more material transfer. Can you zoom in on that? See that? You can see the fibers actually sticking out right there. still 7 and 5. That's just nail pull through on this one. That's shingle 6. Pull through 6, and then we got, I think, two more nails. One more nail to remove. See anything on this one? Should come up. Yep. Put it up there. So I'm just going to go over what we've got so far. We got material transfer on 2. We got material transfer on 5. Yeah, right here. Actually, didn't mark it. So material transfer on 5, and we got that nail pull through.
Yep.
Right there. 6. We got material transfer on down onto 6, and that nail pull through, and the material transfer on 7. Those 3 places. So now we're gonna grab this shingle and install. And then when I line up the exposure, it drops down a little bit right there. You can see that difference. So that is something to note, because this isn't a compatible shingle. This shingle is likely discontinued due to the age of it. All right, so
Very trash last time.
Yeah, that's apple. All right.
Repair attempt number 2, documented. Repair attempt number 1 up here, where we had a video malfunction, but we have up. 2 attempts, same slope.